This is Don Howe, and the audio clip I'm about to play for you from one of our HIS conference calls is about getting things accomplished.
Doing really great, and I said, Rick, what have you been doing to be hitting the numbers that you know you need to be hitting? And he said, Helena, I'm just doing whatever it takes. And then he kind of laughed. He said, I know that's not the answer you want. I know that's a really poor answer because pretty much everyone's going to tell you they're just doing whatever it takes. He said, but what I mean by that is I have a certain number I know I have to hit, and I don't stop until I hit it. I'm doing absolutely whatever it takes to get there. He said, I'm working Saturdays, I'm working Wednesday afternoons, I'm working every day to get that number. He said, I'm doing whatever it takes. And I thought about it, and I kind of laughed because I'd actually heard that from someone else the same day, and I was looking at their numbers and their reports, and they were saying the same thing. They were telling me, I'm doing everything I can. I'm doing whatever it takes, and it's just not working. And when I was comparing their 2 weekly reports, I was saying, wait a second, you're both saying you're doing whatever it takes, but it doesn't add up because this other guy wasn't working Saturdays. He was stopping about 4 o'clock every afternoon, sometimes 5 o'clock. He was working 10 to 5, sometimes 9 to 5. I was like, wait a second, that's not whatever it takes. And so make sure that when you're looking at your week, your life and saying, I'm doing whatever it takes, are you really doing whatever it takes? Are you really doing what it takes to get done? And you've all heard this, but it's not the hours you put in, it's what you put in those hours. Are you working efficiently and effectively? Because like Tim and Don both said, this business can be tough, but it can also be wonderful. It can also be exciting. I mean, I've talked to so many agents who have been flying high. You could just hear in their voice that they were just kind of floating on the way home because of a fantastic day, and they were so excited. Or someone that got an extra paycheck from their 10th, 11th, and 12th month that they weren't even expecting, and they just got $300 dropped into their account, and they were flying high. And when I talk to someone like that, and then I talk to someone who's having a difficult time, I just want to give them a great big hug and say, hold on, keep at it, don't give up, keep persevering, because you will get to the point where you have a ton of fun and where this business is something that you're excited about, because it does have such a potential that most businesses don't have. You put into this business what you want to get out of it. So whatever you put in, that's what you're going to get out. So hang in there if you're having a difficult time.
I hope you enjoyed this sample audio clip. You can listen to more free samples at howtosellfinalexpense.com.